The fiancée of a man who died this past May after his bulldozer fell into a coal pile is suing the utility that operated the facility where he worked. Jessica Bishop said in a Monday court filing that Santee Cooper is to blame for conditions that resulted in 24-year-old Cody Jordan's death at its Winya generating station May 24th. Jordan was operating machinery around 6 o'clock that night, pushing coal on top of a large pile, when suddenly and without warning, he and the bulldozer fell into a hidden void and were engulfed. No other workers or supervisors were near the pile at the time, as we're told, and there weren't any witnesses. Bishop's lawsuit said a built-in GPS system on Jordan's vehicle wasn't working at the time of the accident, and it wasn't until 6:30 that management was notified he was missing. He was found nearly 24 hours after he had been reported missing. Bishop is seeking unspecified financial damages on grounds of negligence.
Next.